Mister, what are you doing? What are you doing, Pookie Bear? Clayton. Okay, hey, I got you. I got you. I got you. Yeah. I'm recording. You looking at, is there a puppy? Hi. Hi. Don't fall over. Don't make mommy look bad. Hi. You're sitting up so big. Yeah.
You got your mom about cornstarch versus corn syrup?
No.
Does the lid need to be on or not?
Not yet. Can you say hi? Hi. Oh, you want to be in here too? Do what? On the brownies?
Yeah.
I don't care. Mister. Whoa, you threw Jimbo. Here. You want monkey? Oh, monkey. Ooh.